Oh my god.
Oh, nah, tradition.
You know, I talked to you about when I do something, I never did anything.
Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing amazing. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys. It's going to be something different, something I haven't done on my channel before. So I do have my friends visiting this weekend and they haven't seen my house before. One of them actually has been seeing my YouTube videos but hasn't really seen the house in person. So I'm going to be getting their reaction when I show them the house on camera and then showing you guys what they think about the house. So yeah, so they're on their way right now. I'm just waiting for them to arrive. So right now I'm just going to try to open up the house, open up the windows and bring all the sunlight in here and just try to place the camera in a good location that captures like their reaction. So yeah, so let's welcome them and see what they think about the house. So they'll be here in about 1 or 2 minutes. Let me quickly just get some things in place and we should get this video started. And this will also be a tour for you guys that haven't been catching up with my videos to see what I've done in the last couple of months. So yeah, super excited. So they just got here now. That's a bell. Okay.
Oh my god! Hi, Jenny.
Hi. Your hair's look really nice.
So thank you. Welcome. You did so much work.
Hope I hit record on the thing.
Yeah. It's so nice. It smells so good too.
Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I love everything.
The gray, the black, the blue.
Okay, I'll stop recording.
This is the living room.
Really?
I just did this one recently.
You just did this one? No wonder.
Yeah, you haven't seen that one. Yeah, I just did
So
that
detailed.
I know. No. You're good.
So pretty. I like the rubber bar area.
Yeah, I want one of this too.
The
I like the flooring too.
So nice. This house is really nice. Does it take too long to work on little things?
Like a year
it's taking me about year and a half.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least 1 year.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Thank you.
And your study on top of that.
Yeah.
So this is.
I have similar ones too.
Oh,
so we're
the
matching.
countertop?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're twins.
Between.
Oh, yeah,
And then this
that.
is the kitchen.
Yeah. The yellow and the black. Like it looks so good. I love it.
Yeah.
I think this is the first thing you did, right?
Yeah, the kitchen.
Oh no, this was the first thing you've done.
I think it was the kitchen before this one. Yeah.
Right here?
No, that's a garage.
Right here.
This is a half back here.
Wow. I like it.
Oh,
vibrant.
So many
It's so
colors.
bright.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Was it hard doing this?
No, that was just a wallpaper, like a peel and stick.
Where'd you get it?
Amazon.
Amazon.
It's even coming off.
Home Depot too. We use some of this at my house.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, just for a little bit, like
Do you guys see
accent.
the toilet rules?
Oh,
Yeah, that
that's
is a nice touch. I like it. Yeah, it was too pretty.
You got so excited.
Yeah.
Thank you. Do you guys want to see the patio before we go upstairs? Or?
Yeah,
Okay.
I like the mud room too.
Oh, yeah, the
I'm
mud
pretty sure
room.
you're gonna work on it too, right?
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
know what to do here yet, so just
So
have
much
that.
potential. Alright, well, let's look at
Oh, so nice.
It's kind of messy. I haven't cleaned it recently, but
So clean already. Oh, how cute! We're gonna be out here tonight.
my lights fell off.
Oh, that's right.
That's okay. But look how
Oh,
nice.
no, you
It's
should
so
be
comfortable.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I know this one! Oh, I'm so into this.
You like it?
I like this. It's so fun. So relaxed.
Yeah.
We have to watch your YouTube.
How many people can this fit?
It says a weight limit is like 400 pounds, or is it more than that? So both of you can sit on it.
So
yeah.
4? 3 to 4?
So two
People that like,
3
depend
people.
on their weight.
Like us, yeah.
Two
Yeah,
people.
as long as you just like evenly distributed.
Yeah.
So like
I
on
think
one
3
side.
at least
Oh,
people.
this is so fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so
I
nice.
can sleep here.
comfy.
Yeah.
I can sleep here.
You can sleep here.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
forget about the
What
room.
do you even order it on Amazon?
Yeah, I got this one on Amazon,
You did
and then
so
I
much
I
for
painted it black. It
Oh.
didn't come like this, so
It came with white or what?
like a wood, like a
A wood.
natural wood color. So then I
Oh.
painted it black. So
This is so
what are you doing?
Whenever I see pretty houses, I just want to
like this. Yeah. We would like to come back here.
No, you guys are always welcome here. Come back anytime.
Did you redo your floors too?
No, it came like this. With
Oh,
this.
okay.
Yeah, with the.
This is laminate. I'm assuming.
Yeah, no, it's not real. Yeah.
Oh, so nice.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Hit me.
Let's go upstairs.
What a pretty house.
Thank you.
Look at you.
Oh my
I was
goodness.
telling Trinity
I
that
love
you did
this
a lot.
So
So this is
good.
like my little office
Yeah.
space.
Oh, okay.
I'm not done yet, so just still work in
The same
progress.
one.
Yeah,
We worked at the same place.
yeah.
Okay, cool.
And this is a linen closet. Really messy.
Okay.
Uh,
They're playing
yeah.
tennis.
Yeah, I do. And then this is the laundry room. Oh,
Very clean.
yeah. Done the most in my master bedrooms.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to look at that one. Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Is this your patch? Are you gonna change the
Yeah, I wanted to do something here, so I
A
just did
different
like
color?
yeah,
like
did
this
like
color
a-
maybe?
Yeah, a test. That's the same color I used in my master bedroom.
So when you pick up a paint, like do you think about like what type? Like satin, finish?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
which
Like-
one is this?
This one's I think it's either satin or matte. Like for my kitchen, I used gloss because I wanted it to like shine.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so that's why it's shiny.
And you want it easy to clean anyways.
Yeah, yeah. But then this one, for the walls, like interior walls, I just do like satin or matte. So
Okay.
yeah.
Cool.
All right.
Alright. Oh my god.
Oh, it's match your kitchen.
Yeah, I love it.
Wow, so look at that. The living room.
Like it ties in together.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Like it feels complete.
yeah.
This is pretty.
Yeah, I love this corner so much.
Yeah.
It's so cold in here.
Yeah, is it? I can reduce the AC.
So livable. So fun.
I like
I'm
it.
happy.
And
Yeah.
it's soft
Oh, this is
clothes.
so
Where
rich.
Yeah.
did you get this?
A store called Homeri. It's like a Chinese store.
Look nice, interesting.
I love how you just sat there.
I like it. I like this
Do you
spot.
have an online store? This one?
No, but I can send you the link. I don't have the.
I like this.
Yeah, yeah. That bench is really nice.
I like a bed
yeah.
too. Look
Yeah.
at
Where'd
the
you get
shape.
this?
This one's from Wayfair. And then I painted it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah,
it was all white, right?
Yeah, it was just white, and then
did
I
it have
stained
this pattern too?
Yeah, it was just white. But
and then did you stain it?
Yes, I stained it. And it's
so
the same color as the.
Looks good.
Yeah, to match.
Yeah, to match the wall.
Yeah.
Oh wow!
And you also did this.
Yeah.
So this is each piece you put together?
Yeah, I have a video on how I did that. Yeah.
Oh wow! Oh my god!
Yeah, I
mean this bed too.
Yeah, it's cute. I like it.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh my.
I definitely like that.
It's
I want
so
that the bench, and then the light at night it looks better because like I have like lights that change different
you need to
colors.
come back at night.
Yeah.
We're gonna do another view at night.
Yeah, a night view.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You even changed your handle.
Yeah, I changed the toilet handles and then the bathroom shower head too.
Kitchen, yeah, to match
Very
that.
cute.
Yeah,
Very good.
I changed this.
Very well done.
Oh my god,
I love it.
Whenever we need an idea, we should talk to her and help it out.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. This is so
Cute.
good. I don't think I haven't seen any house like
Really?
this. This
Oh
is like
my god, you guys like giving me too much credit for this.
No,
like
friends,
seriously.
like never.
Like our friends never do this.
This is
Like
a lot of work.
You know, like
Yeah,
I
it
talk to
was
you,
a lot of work. Yeah.
You know, like talk to you about when I do something, I never do anything.
I don't do anything. I keep it blank. So
Yeah.
this is very pretty.
Yeah.
A lot of work.
Thank you.
Good job.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get it up, cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better. Making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow.
Girls' night out.
I did.
Yeah, we have a good time with Frida. If you want to see more of her videos, subscribe to her channel.
Yeah, subscribe, like, and comment.
Alright, bye.
Bye.